Today we will see the first chapter of Environmental Science of 2nd Standard CBSE syllabus. This is of Macmillan Education. Chapter 1, How Our Body Works. Let's dive in. Warm up. Little Susie is smelling a flower. Which part of her body is she using to smell the flower? Rima, Anne and Sana from left to right are playing with a jumping rope. Which parts of her body in Anna middle using to jump? Our body is like a machine. It has many parts which are also known as organs. These parts help us to do many activities. Parts of our body. In class 1, you studied about some of the parts of our body and their functions. Our hands and arms are used for touching, holding and lifting things. We also use them to pull, push and throw things. We use our legs and feet for standing, walking, running, chasing, kicking and jumping. We use our mouth to eat and speak. Following is a picture of Rihan. Can you name his body parts? Some have been done for you. This is an eyebrow. These are eyes, nose, mouth, neck, chest, arm, hand, leg, toes, ankle, knee, abdomen, tongue, lips, teeth, cheek, ear and a forehead. Parts of our body can be divided into two, external organs and internal organs. External organs, the organs that are outside our body and can be seen or touched by us are called external organs. Our ears, nose, tongue, arms, feet, etc. are our external organs. Sense organs. There are some organs that help us to know about things around us. These are called sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Those are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Activity fish. Match the actions with the correct sense organs. You can match here. Next comes think tank. The skin is considered to be the largest organ of the body. Can you tell why? Internal organs. Do you know that there are many important organs inside our body too? These organs also have special functions and they help us in different ways. These are known as internal organs. The brain, heart, lungs and stomach are some of our important internal organs. The brain helps us to think, learn and remember. The brain is located inside our head. It helps us to think, learn and remember. It also helps our sense organs to see, hear, smell, taste and feel different things. The heart is located inside our chest. It pumps blood to all parts of our body which helps them to work. Place your hand on the chest towards the left. You will feel the heart beating. You may also feel your heartbeats when you run fast. We have 2 lungs which are located inside our chest close to the heart. The lungs help us to breathe. Below the chest lies the stomach. It looks like a bag. The food we eat goes to the stomach, which then breaks down the food and helps us to digest. Our body also has bones and muscles inside it. Bones are hard and strong and give shape to our body. Bones and muscles together help us to move, run and play. Bones give shape to our body. Let's reel in summing up. Parts of our body: external organs, organs that can be seen or touched; internal organs, organs that are located inside the body. Sense organs, we have 5 sense organs. Those are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Here internal organs: brain, heart, lungs, stomach and bones. Exercises. Tick the correct option. I smell the scent of roses. I feel the softness of wool. I hear the sound of music. I see the color of sky through the window. Fill up the blanks. Our body is like a machine. The brain helps us to think, learn and remember. We have 2 lungs which are located inside our chest close to the heart. The food we eat goes to the stomach. Bones are hard and strong and give shape to our body. Rewrite the words that given in red to make correct statements. Our eyes help us to see. Our skin help us to feel different things. The heart pumps blood to different parts of the body. The nose helps us to breathe. The bones give shape to our body. You can answer the following questions. What is an organ? Name some of the internal organs of our body. State the functions of the brain. What is the function of the heart? How do the lungs help us? What does the stomach look like? Then comes think tank. You have read that we have sense organs but a doll does not have any. What activities can you do that your doll cannot do? One has been done for you. You can complete the other one. You can complete this activity. Yeah, these are the activities. This completes the chapter 1. For the next chapter, you can follow my next video. Playlists are created and videos are uploaded in sequential order so that you won't miss any of the chapters. Thank you.